Imagine a world where your next meal isn't grown on Earth, but among the stars, where humanity's hunger stretches beyond the blue sky into the endless silence of space. This is the story of how we learned to feed a Stardust generation. As the 22nd century dawned, Earth began to starve. Climate change burned farmlands to ash, cities grew hungrier by the day, and the planet could no longer feed its billions. To survive, humanity had to look upward, beyond gravity, beyond limits. But on the Moon and Mars, the dream of agriculture seemed impossible. No oxygen, no rain, no soil. Everything we knew about life had to be rewritten. In orbit, scientists built something extraordinary, the first zero-G farms. Floating laboratories where gravity no longer chained life to the ground, and plants could grow freely among the stars. In zero-G farms, there is no soil. Instead, plants grow in nutrient-rich mists and hydroponic streams. Every drop recycled, every molecule optimized. Nothing wasted, nothing left to chance. At the core of every orbital farm is an artificial intelligence. It watches over every seed, predicting growth, correcting imbalance, and learning, evolving with each harvest. To survive in space, plants themselves had to change. Scientists engineered them to thrive in zero gravity. Stronger roots, quicker growth, greater nutrition. These were no longer Earth plants. These were children of the cosmos. And then it happened. The first harvest among the stars. Tomatoes, lettuce, wheat, grown, harvested, and tasted hundreds of miles above Earth. The moment humanity realized we could live anywhere. In orbital kitchens, astronauts turned science into cuisine. Every meal became a masterpiece, a blend of technology, art, and memory of home. But this was more than science. It was about emotion, the smell of basil, the crunch of fresh vegetables, the taste of Earth itself. In the vast emptiness of space, food became comfort and hope. From one farm in orbit, humanity expanded, to the Moon, to Mars, to Titan's icy skies. Zero-G farms powered entire colonies, growing not just food, but independence. The first children born in space, the Stardust generation, would grow up never knowing Earth's soil. But they would eat, live, and thrive, thanks to the green life that floats beside them. Back on Earth, the innovations of zero-G farming revolutionized agriculture, drought-proof crops, AI-driven food systems, and clean energy. The stars had taught us how to save our home. We once looked up at the stars and dreamed of reaching them. Now, we look down from the stars and dream of protecting what we left behind. Zero-G farms, feeding a Stardust generation, and reminding us what it means to be human.